Hello students, today we are going to learn how to download an image from Google and save it on your desktop. So let's open the Google homepage. I have already opened the Google homepage. How to open it? In the address bar type www.google.com. And now on the Google homepage you have a search bar. So you will search for your favorite cartoon character. So my favorite cartoon character is Mickey Mouse. So I will search for Mickey Mouse. Click on enter. Then I'll click on images option over here. Once I click on images option, there are so many pictures of Mickey Mouse. So many amazing pictures. I like this one. Let's select this picture. Even this one is better. Okay, let's select this one. Now how to download this image? You need to right click on the image and select the option save image as. Pay attention to the option that you are selecting. Don't select save link as, select save image as, because once you select save image as, the image will get saved. If you select save image link as, the link will get saved. So we need the image. So select save image as. Once you click on that option, a small window will appear in front of you like this. Now you will name or you will save the file with the name. Click over here, remove this name, and as the file name, see over here it is written file name. So as the file name you will write your own name. So suppose my name is Sneha, so I will write Sneha Patil and then click on save button. Once I am done this, see over here it is written snehapatil.jpg. So that means my image is downloaded. So this is how you download image from Google.